art forms, and in those art forms, photography is the most important one of them. Before I start, I must say about the particular word which is photography. It has come from a Greek word in which photo means light and graphy means to draw. So, photography is write with the help of light. If light is there, you can do photography. I am coming to next with most important part for photography. The requirement part for photography, without whom you cannot exist photography. Number one, you need a good light. Number two, you need a camera. Number three, an object. Number four, you need your brain. Why I am talking about brain? Because if you do not put your brain properly, it will be only photograph. It will be only a kind of record, nothing more than that. We are here for some different purpose. There are so many people are having costly camera, so many people are having costly phone camera, but what is the utility of this unless you learn the things proper way? I am talking about the camera, I am talking about the instrument, I am talking about the photography. In that one, little bit if you know, you will be more better than those people who is having only camera, don't know how to click good picture. We are here for only the purpose that we will click a picture which will have some good meaning, good message and good for our good memory. Okay. So before going to that segment, let us come to know about those what is there in photography. Basically, we need at least few things without whom you cannot exist photography. Number one, that is light. Without light, you cannot do photography. Because at the beginning only I have told you that photography means write by the help of light. Okay. Number two, LSM, that is light sensitive material. What is light sensitive material? Basically, light sensitive material is that a particular place in which you can write by the help of light. If you have light, if you would like to write on your copy, on your book, on any surface, you cannot do. But light sensitive material is that material which senses the light and you are able to write it on that particular place. Everywhere the sensitive material is not there, so you cannot write. Now I am coming next, that is we need a dark box. Why we need dark box? Because you know there is three segment, as I have told you. Photography means to write by the help of light. If you are writing with the help of light, you have to write in light sensitive material, that means the material which sends the light. Now when you are going to write by the help of that light, if already light is there, then you won't be able to write identically. Rather, if you write, it won't be identified. So what is going to happen? Haphazardly all the lights will enter and reaction will take place and you won't get the image. So that is why what you need? You need a dark box. Dark box is a camera. Okay. Now come to this part, as well as you know that nowadays we are in the present state in the third world where so much advancement take place, and in that advancement we are in that stage where from you can only get the facility, but this status, this stat comes after 2000 years toil of those scientists, those who have worked, those who have worked in this field of photography. I will come to you later. But first, let me tell you about the light. Light, whatever I am talking to you, this light is two types. One which you used to see, that is sunlight, available, easily available, and another is artificial light. Sunlight is natural light, another is artificial light. Under the artificial light there are so many lights. Number one, the light which is available at home, the lights which you could see in the decorated building, any function, decoration in the function done outside, and inside you will find another type of light. Inside you will find the people are with some halogen type of light, there are some different type of light. But for photography, you need a kind of light which can record the image from the object to the camera. Whatever camera you have, you may have a costly camera, it doesn't matter the cost of the camera. The device which you are having may be low cost, but if the light is not proper, you cannot get the record done. Because I have told you, photography means to draw with the help of light. Remember this. Now come to LSM. LSM is light sensitive material. You might be not aware because you are living in digital era. In digital era, everything is digital. But I have told you, I would like to tell you about the history of photography a little bit, so it will be better to understand by you during the period of time when you do work, you will do something on this. So light sensitive material is that which is sensitive to light. Basically what we know this is film. Films are various manufacturers used to give us, as well as Kodak is there, Konica is there, Alpha is there, Fuji is there, so many other. But what is the requirement of this? Requirement of these two sensitized, sensitive material which can record the image. Over. Now coming to dark box. This is another important part. If you do not have dark box, you cannot click picture. Now dark box is a camera. So there are so many types of cameras and so many people are there who used to manufacture the camera and able to give you the good result. Various cameras is having various kind of result by which you can get good kind of picture. Okay. Now in this camera, when we are talking to camera, the first name which comes nowadays, that is Nikon. It may be Canon, it may be Sony, but moreover you should know how to operate it. And we'll come to that point later on, but today I would like to show you few photographs by which you will understand that you can click good picture instantly without any precaution also, but you have to be alert and be ready. If you are not ready, you cannot do good picture, good photography. Okay.
यस्यां समुद्र उतसिन्धुरापो अजितो हतो अक्षतो यष्टां पृथिवीम् अहम् यत्ते मध्यं पृथिवी यज्जनभ्यं यास्तुर्जस्तन्वः सम्बभूवुः दासूनो ध्येयभीनः भवस्व माता भूमिं पुत्रो अहं पृथिव्याः पर्जन्यः पिता समूनं विपर्तु
You know, children, there are so many types of lens. When the lens is developed from camera obscura to plane lens by Petzobel, which was 16 times more light passing lens, from there the development started. And today you will find there are so many types of lens. And these so many types of lens are for different purpose. You know, for photography, when we use a lens means it supposed to give a sharp image inside the camera. But as the development take place, the lens variety comes out, and this variety used to give various types of photography, and for various type of photography we use these different type of lenses. Okay, so in different type of lens you will find simple lens. Simple lens means it's called normal lens. What is normal lens? Normal lens means in this type of lens, if you click a picture, each and everything you will find normal as you are viewing during the time of clicking a picture. Okay, but sometimes it happens you need to get a picture of huge area, a long tree, railway track, platform, queue of buses, group photographs. At that time what happens in this type of lens, if you use to click a picture, then the picture will come, okay, there is no issue for not coming, but the picture which will come, that also will be normal, but for getting it within your frame of the camera is little difficult. So what we do, we use a lens in the camera, it is called wide angle lens. In wide angle lens, we are able to click a picture from this distance this much area. So we can cover this much area from this distance or this much area from this distance, but in normal lens it is not possible. In normal lens it will come this much only, or maybe it will come this much, but it won't go beyond this. So for clicking a picture from this much area, you need to get a lens which is wide angle. Okay. Now I am coming to the next, that is telephoto lens. Sometimes you wish to take a photograph of a bird. They are playing in the nest. So you won't be able to take the picture if you do not have a lens which can cover a distance from you to the trees, branches or the nest. Is it? For that what you need? You need a lens which is called telephoto lens. Is it? So what you come to know that there is basically 3 types of lens at least by which you can get a picture good from any distance. Number 1, normal. The every view will come normal. From this you can cover this much distance. If you need to go for more distance from this area, you have to use a lens which is wide angle lens. But suppose you want to take this much portion, then you have to use a lens which is called telephoto lens, by which normally from a distance we are able to click a picture without disturbing the object. Okay. You know, photography is a method of recording an image by the help of light. So this much is clear to you, that is photo and graphy. This whole part is in 2 segment. Photo, that means light, and graphy means to draw. So photography is to draw with the help of light. Which is camera is the only instrument for writing by the help of light. Able to understand how much space or the area is going to cover. When you view it, we are able to understand how much is coming within our frame. So many times you will find while viewing by the help of the camera also, we are not able to. And this variety of camera used to give us the variety of result, not the picture, varieties of result in the field of photography. Though every camera is having its own speciality, this lens is for the camera. I would like to tell you the very important things of a camera which you need to know. The very beginning parts which is in the camera, that is lens, and instead of lens one more part which is very important, that is viewfinder. Viewfinder is situated in each and every camera, because viewfinder is only place where from you are able to view the object before clicking. When you take selfie in your mobile camera, you find that you used to put the mobile camera and you used to see how much it is coming. If you take the snap without viewing, then what is going to happen? Photograph will come, but the adjustment, the composition, the photographs which you want that won't come. That won't come. Why? What is the reason behind? Because when you are doing this job at that time, you are unable to understand how much space or the area is going to cover. When you view it, we are able to understand how much is coming within our frame. So many times you will find while viewing by the help of the camera also, we are not able to see the position. Sometimes the head used to cut, the legs used to cut, the side body used to cut. Is it? So it should not take place if there is a viewfinder. So viewfinder is a very important part, and every camera is having this. Okay.